I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over a really nice brake. This is a 155-ton by 10-foot Donewell. You'll see it's a very heavy-duty brake, nice and compact, very, very smooth, very accurate machine. Here's a Siblet control. It's a CNC 3300. You've got a palm station right here, as well as the foot pedals. Right now we have it on palm. We've set a program so you can see how smooth everything's going to run. You'll see the back gauge go in and out, and we'll go ahead and let you see it. So you can see very smooth, quick approach, slow forming, and quick return. Quick approach, slow form, quick return. So it's a very nice, quiet machine. You'll notice very, very quiet compared to a lot of other hydraulics that you might find out there. Okay, so now we have it on set for a program. As soon as it finishes its bend, you see the back gauge. Again, advancing to the next step. So this is a 3-axis machine. You'll notice on the back gauge you have your in and out as well as your R-axis up and down. We'll let you walk around. You can take a look at the back there. Notice the R-axis going up and down. One last thing I want to show you, we'll show you the controller here. You can take a look at the screen. We'll show you there's 2 different views that you can view it in. Here's your one view. It's going to show you all your different positions as well as your other. We'll go ahead and activate it. You can see your Y1, Y2. There's the X for the back gauge. And the back gauge moved to its next position at 12 inches. Once again. Nice screen. All the numbers are working really well. There's no screen burn or anything. You can set everything into here, your different dwell times, your different speeds. Very nice, easy control to use. We have some manuals for it as well. Give us a call if you're interested in this machine or any other, new or used, or if you have something for trade. We have some great financing options on our website. Phone number is 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.